guys, welcome back to a new video. So I've actually got face cam on, because yeah, I revealed my face in the, I revealed my face in the last video. Sorry I haven't been uploading, like, for ages. I just couldn't help it, because I've been so busy. Because I'm year 6 now, so I'm getting to do my SATs boosters. By the way, guys, what you can see on screen right now is my giveaway, so love it, and you could maybe win one of these. Don't know. So, I'm texting my friend right now. This is her. Go add her, greet spammer, gifter. She's the best. I know in real life too, so yeah. So I have a drip top giveaway, rare trade only. So you can either win a drip top in here or a drip top in that. By the way, guys, I'm like that. Pointing. I don't know what I'm doing. Also, I wanted to do a review on the new makeup shop. Because, I mean, yes. There you go. So it says new. And I know why it says new, because it's new, like, I love the background, and I love how it has, like, these lights on the mirror. I don't know if I had it. Wait, I could take it out, couldn't I? So it has these new eyes. These ones I love, but they don't have the cute lashes, or, like, their brows are kind of ugly. But look, you can have two-tone eyeballs. Well, so say I bought them. And when I go, I'm taking you. Sorry guys, I have a song stuck in my head. Where did all my BFFs go? And also I just didn't load in. So if you go on close. Right now I'm trying to look fancy. Is that fancy? Don't know. Let me see. Once it loads. No, it doesn't go. So over here. Yes. So you have the type of eyes that you've bought. The eye stuff. What they're called. Yeah, and I would show you better on my backup. But yeah, I got the backup. Hi guys, I'm just full cold. I just wanted to let you know that I'm okay. By the way, guys, I'm going to tell her to say hi to YouTube. Say hi to YT. Say hi to YouTube. Then I'm going to send YT says hi back. Guys, I don't know what to do. I'm just feeling weird. Also, look, guys, I'm just gonna move my server over here. Or I could move it on here. I'll just keep you guys on there for now. Also, guys, have you read my status? So, as my YouTube, so plug, always plug. Why is life so dumb? Like me, because I'm actually dumb, because I got a low score on SATs, but who cares? Why is life so dumb like me? Also, I'm a potato. I'm just going to send to a YT says hi back. So, you could probably comment down some stuff that you want me to do next. I'm just going to do the new guy. Okay, I think this is all I really have to say. Except from I'm not well, I have a cough. Love you all. Oh my god, I'm so sorry guys. I forgot that I called you Popcorn Squad. I love you so much, Popcorn Squad. My hair looks so much. For some reason, in the camera, it looks like it's really tiny. Look. Love you guys. Peace. Sorry guys, I'm really not well. So this could be my outro. I can't. Stop coughing. Here we go. Let's do it. Love you guys. Peace out. Bye. Yeah, that can be it. Okay, love you all. Peace out. Bye.